Hi, I'm Jacques Pepin and I'm cooking at home. I used to cook Brussels sprouts in water. When they were cooked, we sauteed and all that. I do it in a different way now. And this is a must for me certainly for Thanksgiving. So I like to do them with a little bit of bacon like this. If you don't want to, you can only use the olive oil, it's perfectly fine. If you decide not to. I have about 2 ounces of bacon here. And I have half a pound of Brussels sprout. And a good, maybe a tablespoon of olive oil there. So this we want to cook for a couple of minutes until it's nice and crunchy and all that. I may even cover it so that it doesn't splatter too much. And then my Brussels sprouts here, what I do, I cut them into thin slices like this. Now actually if I have a lot, I do it in my food processor. I have a blade, I go that. As you can see, those are quite nice, those here. If you feel that they need help sometime when you buy them, then you would have to cut the bottom if it's brown, remove a little bit of the damaged leaf, but I mean those are fine. Okay, so here, those half a pound of will be enough for like 2-3 people. So here, I think they are about fine now. So that's it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not too much because of the bacon, just only a fair amount of pepper. I have enough, the moisture will come out of the Brussels sprouts. If you don't think it does enough, then you can put a tablespoon of water and cover it. They're going to get soft, just slightly crunchy still. They'll cook in 2-3 minutes, couple of minutes. Want to test it? That's crunchy, a little firm. Test it, it's always important. You like it this way, go. You like it less cooked, fine. You like it more cooked, fine. There is no rule for that. Now maybe tiny dash of olive oil on top still. Great dish for Thanksgiving. That's it. My Thanksgiving Brussels sprout. Happy cooking.